Folding dress shirt.
Medium compression packing cube, made of ultralight parachute nylon 66.
More durable than ordinary nylon.
Remove excess air. Snag-free compression with YKK zipper and special nylon.
Premium look you won't find in other cubes.
Waterproof protection.
Packing 2 pairs of jeans.
Folding blazer for wrinkle-free packing.
Remove excess air.
Snag-free compression, other cubes can't match.
Backed by a lifetime guarantee.
Material is soft touch and premium shine.
Full clothing protection.
Bag factor,